So, dear viewers, we've come again with another discussion today, and I'm making my stories to say that a boy of class 3, Mr. Abid. So, what is full name?
Farhan Abid.
Mr. Farhan Abid. And your father's name?
Ikramul Islam.
Ikram Islam. What is he?
He is a policeman.
He is a policeman. He is a policeman, okay, all right? So, I'm making my stories to see and to know that how a boy of class 3 can keep the things in memory, that he starts about the planets of the galaxies, and he can, he's quite interested about it. But how could he get the names of the stars, the planets, and their activities, all things? Anyhow, so let's start about the today our discussion is the stars around us. Okay, Mr. Abid,
Yes.
I think that you are ready to give some answer of my question,
Yeah.
right? So, here are the stars around us, okay? I think that you know the name of the stars. Can you say the name of some of the stars?
Regulus, Rigel, Ursa Minor, Ursa Major, Canis Major, Altair, Deneb, Vega, lots of.
Oh, you know more names?
Yeah.
Oh.
Andromeda, Orion, Triangulum, Centaurus, Alpha Centauri,
Alpha Centauri,
Proxima Centauri,
Proxima Centauri. Okay.
Hercules, Rhoda
Oh, you know all the things about it, okay? So now that is the light is coming from the stars, isn't it?
Yeah.
It has started the journey from the very beginning of the creation of these things by the Almighty Allah. Okay, so from when it has started the journey?
The light we receive from most of them began its journey long before man appeared on earth.
Before man appeared, then the journey started. Okay, so there are some stars. Do you know some stars? Okay, is so far away that it started the journey, but yet the light hasn't come to the earth.
No.
Yet not.
No.
Right. Okay. So the sun. What is the distance of the sun from our earth?
90 million miles.
How many times to take the light from sun to our earth?
8.
8 minutes. Oh, just 8 minutes. Okay, but it is coming with a speed of 186,300 miles per second, and it takes 8 minutes to come.
Just
So we have to imagine that what is the distance of the sun from our earth? That is 93
93 million miles.
million miles from us. Okay, if the sun was a little bit nearer to our earth, what happened to the earth?
The earth will dry up. No life will survive.
No life will survive.
No.
Okay. Suppose the sun is a little bit far from our earth, that is the point where it is situated, it may go a little bit from its right position. What happened? What will happen?
It will be cold. All things were frozen like Uranus.
Oh, all the will be frozen and no life will survive in on this earth. Okay, right? That's the very great thing to thinking matter. Okay, and the distance of the Proxima Centauri from the earth.
Proxima Centauri is 4 1/3 light years away.
1/3 light years from okay. And the Altair, Vega, and Deneb.
Altair is about 16 light years and Vega 26 light years to Deneb 1,500 light years.
1,500 light year. And what is the light year?
Like
what do you mean by, what does tell me light year?
Light, the speed of light is
186,300
miles
per second. if this light come toward the
ear, then it's a light
it's
here.
a light here.
So far.
So big distance we can imagine it. Okay. The name. Okay, the sun is only 93 million miles, and the light from it come to us only 8 minutes. Okay, but there's some stars. So how big are these stars? Giant stars.
Super
giant
giant,
stars.
red giant, yellow dwarf, lots of.
So many giant stars. You say the name again. Would you please say the name again?
Red giant,
Red giants, super giants.
Lots of. Hyper giant.
So, in comparison to the sun, what is the super giant star is?
Super giant make the sun tiny.
That is how many sun can be? It can contain how many suns it can contain?
Maybe 1 million.
1 million of a sun can enter into the star in the body of the star. Maybe. Okay. So so bigger. So in comparison, so what is the brightest bright? Now can I discuss about the brightness according to the magnitude? Brightness. According to the magnitude, brightness. So how many magnitude maybe this starts here?
Lots of.
6 magnitude.
Six.
The first magnitude starts. So can you say the name of the first magnitude starts?
Regulus.
Show it please. Okay, say and show it please. And here.
Aldebaran.
Okay.
Fomalhaut.
And
Triangulum.
These are the first magnitude starts.
Yeah.
And the second magnitude starts.
Second magnitude like Arcturus.
Okay.
Then Virgo. Converse.
So many.
Libra.
So many. And third magnitude and sixth magnitude. Okay.
Yeah.
Comparison to the sun, the brightness. Can you compare the brightness of sun and the first magnitude star? Like, what is the name of these things?
Fomalhaut.
Yeah. Fomalhaut. So Fomalhaut. So, what is the brightness? Can compare the sun?
Million.
No, brightness is so like the.
100 times.
It is like a dim light.
Yeah, dim
A
light.
dim light. As in
Searchlight.
We can place a dim light in by the side of searchlight. So the brightness of that star.
Glowworm beside searchlight.
Glowworm with a searchlight.
Yeah.
So that is sun is like a glowworm.
Yeah.
And a searchlight. That's very interesting, I think so.
Yeah.
And the other stars we know. Okay. So, okay. And how many stars can you see in our naked eye, please? 200?
2,000 to 2,500.
2,500 number we can see in the naked eye. And how can you say the more stars?
By a telescope, large telescope. By telescope, we can see more than 1,000. By a large telescope,
we can see?
We can see more than million.
With a million stars we can see. The Hubble, what is the biggest telescope? Do you know the name of the biggest telescope?
Ever discovered? Ever invented? Maybe the Kepler telescope.
Kepler telescope. And how does the Hubble telescope?
Yeah, Hubble.
Hubble?
Hubble.
And nowadays, okay, the scientists create, I think, more powerful telescope than the Hubble.
Yeah, more than, but they didn't launch it yet.
Didn't launch yet?
No. Just few months and it will launched.
With the few months it launched. How they launched the telescope in the earth?
By the rocket.
The rocket. It rocketed go nearer to the galaxy.
Galaxy, lots of.
And they're
like
taking.
Kepler is out of our solar system. Go everywhere, even out of our Milky Way. It is out of our Milky Way.
Out of the Milky Way.
Yeah.
That is good. Okay, we want to end our discussion now.
Okay.
So now you please say about the Milky Way. What the people, ancient people, think about the Milky Way.
the people think that this is the road of soul to the end of the heaven.
The road is soul to heaven, soul to the heaven. Okay, and that is soul. Okay, this is so. I think that is very funny things. Okay, but it's Milky Way. So far they can understand this Milky Way. The people understand that the soul is the path of the soul to the heaven. Okay, now we wanna have end our discussion. Thank you very much for discussion, and I think that you will study more and more and know about lot of things to know. Only you are a boy of class 3, okay, and you will have to study a lot.
Yeah.
You want to be astronaut, okay, scientist, a big scientist. So
Of NASA.
okay, NASA, okay. You have to know a lot of things about astronomy. So, and you have to now just your class 3, and we have to know a lot, and we'll have a discussion. We'll read a lot of things here in our book, okay. And the next time we have to know about the moon.
The moon, Earth satellite.
Okay, moon here. We have to know about the moon. Okay, thank you very much for your discussion. See you again.
See you again.
Okay, okay. Please stop.